Hi everybody, thanks for watching. This is our ProForm Trainer 12.0 treadmill, and today I'm going to show you how to check the hours and the mileage on it. So you're going to have your welcome screen that will look something like this. Ours is kind of an iPad looking screen. Up in the top left, press the 3 horizontal lines. That'll bring you another menu. We want to go to Settings. And Settings will bring us another menu. We want to go to Equipment Information. And then Machine Information. And that'll tell you what you need to know. Like this one, oh, it's a little over a year old. 241 hours of use, 1,271 miles, and 296 workouts. So this is important if you're buying a used treadmill, so you know how much it is. And it's also important if you just want to check your personal history. So pretty cool. Once again, I'm going to back out and go through the steps again. From your main screen, select 3 horizontal lines. Select Settings. Select Equipment Info. Machine Info, and you can get all your stuff right there. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.